Hello people, so in our last video we said we were going to show you how to use the pro features and also introduce how to connect wallets to you for people who are not familiar with Web3, who don't understand the concept of tokens or who don't understand the concept of a wallet. So this video is specifically for you. If you missed our last video the on how to use the scientific search engine for free, right? Which I think still offers a lot of functionalities. You can click on a link you're going to be seeing on this clip right now and then check on that video and have at it. So without further ado, let us just quickly dive into the functionality that we have here. So let us check Get Pro. What do we have here? So to be able to use these pro features, you need to be holding at least 1,000 scihub tokens, right? It's also a way to, contribute to the ecosystem to build scihub as a community itself. And also, you can, scihub is available on BNB Testnet and also on the Solana mainnet. We're going to be showing you how you can connect these chains to be able to get a scihub and use the pro features. So what do we have under pro features? We have the features that are in the normal features, of course, and then we also have the AI assistant powered um, framework. We also have the deep reading feature. You also, if you're holding about 1,000 scihub tokens or more, you get access to token incentivized activities and features later. And also you support future updates that are going to be coming from the scihub developer community. So cool. So how then do you get scihub token? So there is an how-to on the scihub forum itself, which basically walks you through how to get, first of all, how to set up your wallet on your browser, which also takes you to how to import your wallet if you already have an account on the Solana virtual machine, and basically just gives you a breakdown of how to, when you buy Solana, how can you swap it into scihub tokens, right? Because the scihub token itself is built on the Solana chain, right? And to be able to buy scihub, it means that you have to pay a transaction fee, just like when you transfer money from, First Bank to UBA, they charge a transaction fee. So the chain also charges a fee. And because Sol is the native token of Solana virtual machine, it charges it in Sol. So you need to have some Sol in your account to be able to buy the token itself, right? Without it, you cannot buy it. So you need to get some Sol first, and then you use it to swap into scihub token. You use some of it to swap into. If you have any trouble, buying this, and depending on your region, maybe you can't use your credit card or debit card, you can just reach out to us in the comment section, and then we're going to help you. We're going to walk you through it. So when you do that, so also not to mention that when you want to get your wallet extension, make sure that you're getting it from the appropriate website, say Phantom Wallet extension. If you input that, make sure that you're getting it from your browser store so as to avoid downloading or installing malware into your machine. So because I already have it on my computer, we see remove from Chrome. If it were to be that I didn't have it, I'm going to be seeing something like add to Chrome. But because I already have it here, I already have it here. So I already have it here, so it's already logged in, and that's why I can see it here. So I think that didn't show. I think it's for privacy reason it didn't show because I just clicked. My screen record didn't pick that up, which I think is good. But anyways, yeah, let's move on. So get it from the official website, official store, and once you add it, you're going to be seeing it around here. So so let me connect my wallet now. So this is assuming that you already have your Phantom wallet setup, and then once you click on Solana, it should display should your Phantom wallet should be initiated. I'm not sure why this is not initiating, so I'm going to pause this video, check on it, and get back to you. All right, let's try that again. So connect wallet, Solana. It detects that I already have my Phantom here, and so there is a sign message that is showing on my extension right now, but for privacy and security reasons, my video screen recorder is not capturing it, which is great. All right, so that I don't reveal any private details. But I'm gonna find a way to attach a screenshot so that you can see it. So you sign, you confirm. Once you confirm, you would see that connect wallet changes to a string of alphanumeric characters, right? So when you see that, when you click that, you can see, are you sure you want to disconnect your wallet, disconnect or cancel? So it means that the wallet is connected, or the scientific search engine is connected to your wallet account that holds the 1,000 scihub tokens or more. So this also changes to welcome to scihub Pro, basically. And then because you're already like a pro member for having 1,000 scihub tokens. So you continue to research, and we are going to be using the paper that, of course, made all of this, what's it called? What you might call it? That made, natural language processing, that made it, that really, really catalyzed it, maybe not made it, but yeah. So let's say attention is all you need. Connecting to the engine, thinking and summarizing. All right, bada boom. You have our summary. If you look through here, you see the summary of the paper itself. You see deep research full paper. So in the last video, you would notice that this was not there. This was not available, but because we are pro, this is what we have here right now. It's just like, if you're using your default Web2 apps like Spotify or AudioMac or Apple Music, you get to see some features on the free or the free usage. But when you pay, right, you input your credit card and then you pay, you can see other functionalities. So this is one of the functionalities. So let's give it a whirl and see what gives. Deep research with paper. Okay, so initialize section and download full context agent connected. So it says that the framework that we're using here is connected. So let's see. It says ask about the paper. So let's see. What inspired this research study? This research study presented in paper Attention is All You Need was inspired by the limitations of existing sequence transduction models, particularly those based on the recurrent neural networks and convolutional neural networks. These traditional models often struggled with parallelization and were inherently sequential in nature, which made them less efficient for processing long sequences. So this feature basically at its core, we see that what it allows us to do is to interact with the paper live without downloading it, without reading the abstract, without downloading the paper itself, without doing any of that. So you can even still ask it further. Let's say you want to know more about the authors. So let's say, who are the authors of this paper? What's their background? And let's say, what are they up to today? So the paper Attention is All You Need was authored by the following researchers: Laswani, Shazir. I'm not sure if I pronounced that correctly. I might murder some name, but Nikki, Jacob, Jones, Andrew. See, as of my last knowledge updates, These authors remain active in the field of AI and machine learning, contributing to research, development, and education in various capacities. For the most current information, it is advisable to check their respective professional profile or publication. So, what deep research basically allows you to do is to interact with the paper itself, right? It gets you the details of the paper, it gets you, obviously, it also tells you more about the authors, gives you a few details. So it allows you to interact with the paper within the context of the paper itself. You can ask maybe let's say, what can you draw from the abstract of this paper? So the abstract of the paper, attention is all you need, provide a concise overview of the view of the key contributions and findings of the research. Here are the main points that can be drawn from the abstract. We have the introduction to the transformer model, we have attention mechanism, we have performance. So you can get points, you can draw summaries from the paper. This allows you to just, it allows you to not just summarize the paper, but you can ask questions from within it. You can, basically just mess around and do a lot more than just downloading the PDF, spending time to read it. You can quiz yourself based on it and all of those things. So this is really, really good feature, which I think would also help students and anybody seeking knowledge generally. So that's that about how to use the Pro feature. And for if you also need some scihub account, or you need some, pardon me, scihub token to also test, you can shoot us a DM and tell us what you're working on and why this matters to you in the comment section, and we will send you some scihub token for you to use the Pro features. So for what do we have here? Okay, this is also available on BNB network to showcase SciAI's capabilities, offering same right as PSYOP tokens during the events. Try now on or claim test tokens. Let's see if we can claim test tokens. So test tokens basically works like the PSYOP tokens, although it does not have intrinsic value, right? It's just like if you have the way the blockchain works, right, is that you have the mainnet and then you have the testnet. To do anything on the mainnet, you have to spend some money, right? To buy anything on AliExpress, you have to spend some money, some transaction fee must be deducted, right? But with the mainnet also has another side called the testnet, which is kind of like a developer environment or a playground, if you may, right? It allows you to test some things before doing it on chain. It is more developer oriented, and also some projects they use it for, test their environment, maybe during launch, maybe pre-launch, or to basically just incentivize users. They give you a test net, you do a series of tasks, you're able to get early access to the project and all of those things, right? So let's see if we can claim some style BNB Testnet on the faucet. So connect wallets, use MetaMask. We're using MetaMask because MetaMask supports the BNB testnet. And let's see what gives. So you can't see it right now, but when I initialized, or when I clicked MetaMask, there was a pop-up on my screen. The MetaMask pop-up tells me to log into my accounts and then connect it. But of course, you can't see that because my screen recorder is protecting my privacy, which is good. So you know that I'm connected because of this. This is connected, and you can disconnect here. But yeah, let's see if you can claim BNB token. So when you click on claim tokens, again, another pop-up comes from MetaMask asking me, I can't see the screen, but it is weird. But anyways, you would see it if you're trying it on your end. I can't confirm it. I think there's an issue with this. Perhaps I'll get in touch with the developer team and send an update in the comment section, or if you were able to go through it and claim the token, you can just leave a comment in the comment section. So I think that's that about that. Let's go back to our search engine, and okay, so signing in now. So my account is back here. So I think yeah, that's basically it. If you have any complaint, if you have any feedback, feel free to drop them in the comment section. Also, if you would like to use the Pro feature, we're giving out some tokens to some members who would love to give this a whirl, who would love to test out the scientific search engine. Just write in the comment section what you're working on, how this would improve and enhance your work, and we will send you some free scihub tokens to use and test the scientific search engine. All right, see you later. Keep learning, keep building. Cheers.